Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole, and first and foremost I want to say, if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a new video. And to my OG subbies, I want to say thank you so much for coming along this journey with me and watching me grow, watching this channel grow, and watching us grow as a family. So today I have a very special video to do for you guys once again. If you are a true OG, you would know that I previously worked with LeLe's Lash line before, but it's their 1-year anniversary and I'm back to work with them again. And I want to say thank you so much to LeLe's Lash line for giving me this opportunity again. And I'm so happy for you and proud of you, and watching how much your company has grown and how you evolved into selling other things, not just lashes. Go girl, that's what I'm talking about. Girl bosses all around the world, period. She sent me some colored lashes, y'all. I never tried colored lashes before, but I was excited to try them. She also sent me her new eyeliner slash glue. Come on, have y'all? I don't think I've ever heard of anything like that before. Eyeliner slash glue. This is what the packaging looks like. It's wrapped in this plastic wrap right now, but it's so pretty. Let me take it out so you guys can see. Oh, shining, 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 yeah. And it comes apart, and it's like a felt tip eyeliner, but it's not just eyeliner, y'all. It's glue. So when you apply your lashes, when you're getting ready to apply your lashes, you apply a thin layer of the glue and then you stick them on. I have this black and red. This is the packaging, but I have this black and red style. Y'all know my favorite color is red. These lashes are bomb, and I love a good wispy cat eye lash, so you already know I love those. This is her business card. It just says LeLe's Lash line. She has other options in other colors. I will leave a link to her website and her Instagram down below, so you guys can go over to her Instagram page and check it out, or her website and check it out. She has other lashes as well. She doesn't have just all colored lashes. She has just regular style lashes, which are so gorgeous. My favorite pair is Aaliyah, y'all already know. And so we're about to do our makeup and get glammed, so let's just get right into the video. So I already went ahead and did my brows and set my eyelids. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette and take the 2 shades Hard On and Living My Best, and my James Charles palette, You're Kidding, and Spooky. And I'm just going to take those 3 red shades and place those shades on my mid to outer eyelid. And I'm going to take the shade Spooky and place that on my outer eyelid to create some depth to my eyelid. And you'll see me switch between these 2 brushes. The brush that I'm using right now is just a fluffy brush, and I'm just using that to blend out any harsh or rough lines. I'm using another brush to drag the red excess powder forward so that it can create a gradient ombre effect. Now I'm going to cut my crease using my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 0. And I'm going to set my eyelids with Flashback out of my James Charles palette. And now I'm going to use those same red shades and create an ombre effect on my mid eyelid. And now I'm taking the shade Spooky and just placing that on my outer eyelid. Okay guys, so now the moment you've all been waiting for, because I've been waiting to try it out too. I'm just so anxious. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue as if I would apply my eyeliner. So I think I'm gonna go for maybe not a wing, because I don't want to take away from how bomb these lashes about to be on my eyelid. So let me just go ahead and give it a good shake. And the eyeliner dries pretty quickly, and I'm going to take my LeLe's lash line tweezers. Get you some, guys, they're so bomb. And here I'm just applying kind of a thin layer of eyeliner. I didn't want to go for a wing because I didn't want to take away from the look, like I previously said. And here's an up close view of the lashes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup. Okay guys, and now that I'm done applying all my foundation and stuff like that, I'm going to go ahead and move into the rest of this makeup look. So I'm going to continue the voiceover now, so just stay tuned to the end so that we can have a little chit chat about these lashes. And here I'm just taking my NYX white eyeliner and lining my waterline. And now I'm going to take those same 3 red shades and blend that under my eye. And here's a close-up of the eye look so you guys can see what it looks like up close and personal. Very red, and I love these lashes, you guys. These lashes are everything. And now I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty Diamond Highlighter and highlight my cheekbones and my brow bone. And now I'm going to line my lips with my Trendsetter lip liner and my link in bio liquid lipstick by B. Simone Cosmetics. Okay guys, so now that I'm all done applying my makeup and everything like that, we can talk about these lashes and this eyeliner. So these lashes are in the style Black Cherry, and you can find them on her website. Once again, I will have everything linked down below in the description box. But I really love these lashes, and I really love how it tied into my look, y'all. Now, I've never tried anything out there. I mean, yeah, I guess because I'm a makeup artist, so yes, I do like color and stuff like that, but I never thought that I would ever like or want to try colored eyelashes. But y'all, I'm really feeling them. Like, it came together with the look and everything. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. I'm like, okay, you came together with this look, period. But I would want to try something like, I guess, neutral tone to see how the lashes stand out on their own, not just with like color and stuff like that. But these lashes, y'all, I really love these lashes, and y'all know I had to do it for y'all. I have a coupon code for you guys. The coupon code is Amya Nicole, of course my name, and you guys will get 10% off when you use my code when purchasing from LeLe's Lash line. So now, y'all, let's talk about this eyeliner pen. This is called the Wonder Pen, and the Wonder Pen, it is an eyeliner slash glue. So once you apply it, it dries within 20 seconds. Y'all, that's real fast. It even dried quicker than that. Like, it dries super fast. So, and the hold on the lashes, like, is no joke. It's really strong. And y'all know I love my duo glue, but this might have to be up there. It's 2-in-1. Y'all can't beat that, because I be running out of my Milani eyeliner like it's nothing. I be running through it like it's water. So this is a glue and an eyeliner. Like, yeah, so I'm gonna use this to the T. And you know how you get eyeliners and like it's the felt tip and you can't really get the product on your eyeliner, your eyes, like it's just like coming out so patchy and not like, it's just the application process is just horrible. Well, this is not. It was easy. You guys saw how easy it was for me to apply this eyeliner, and I love it. I'm in love with it. The Wonder Pen is easy to use, like I previously stated, but also you can use this up to 100 times. And she also has a clear one available on her website as well. So if you don't like black and you don't want to use this just for eyeliner and glue, you can go purchase the clear one on her website as well, which I will be doing because I love this. Like, this is so, girl, you got something on your hands, and let me tell you, Lily, like. But anyway, enough of me rambling. I really do hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to go down below in the description box and check out her website, y'all. I promise y'all won't regret it. Like, she has a ton of cute things on her website. She even sells hair. Come on, y'all, I need to give her my sis. Like, she's just doing the dang thing. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video.